everybody. First of all, I want to thank you for clicking onto my video. All you Cobra bag users, also double end bag users, try this. Keep your hands up, keep yourself protected. Let the bag move left to right, not back and forth like it normally does. Then strike. Orthodox fighters, start with your lead hand. Pull it to the left so it swings left to right. That's the secret to your improving your skills. Start off nice and slow and practice orthodox southpaw, lead and rear hand. As you'll be able to see, I'm finding it very difficult. It's fun, frustrating, beneficial. Excellent way to learn, a great way to get your striking up to scratch. Try it out, see how it goes. Comment below, let me know what you think and how you get on.